Lesson number 10. Who is Ndani?
Ndani.
What is Chani?
Chani.
Where is Kuti?
Kuti.
When is Liti?
Liti.
How is Bwanji?
Bwanji.
Two more things for today's lesson. If you want to say I will not do something, either not bit, you just add C in front of the personal pronouns. So ndikufuna means I want, sindikufuna is I don't want. Or you are going is ukupita, and you will not go is sukupita. The C and the U are said so quickly that the I is almost absent. Sukupita means you'll not go or you are not going. Finally, a special verb, to have. You just add li, li, in front of, after the personal pronouns, not in front of. Ndili means I have.
Ndili.
Uli means you have.
Uli.
He, she, or they have is Ali.
Ali.
We have is tili.
Tili.
And you plural have is muli.
Muli.
Typically, this have is followed by ndi. So, Ndili bukhu is I have a book. Ndili bukhu.
Ndili bukhu.
End of lesson 10.